Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I will show you how to cancel a Temu orders after it has already shipped in 2025. Now here's the catch: once your item is shipped, Temu doesn't allow direct cancellation. But there's a smart work around using returns and refund. So let's get started into step by step. So first thing first, once your order status shows shipped or out for delivery, you can't technically cancel it. But the good news is Temu has a very easy return and refund process, so you can simply wait for the package then return it right away. Let's go through the step you need to follow. If your item has already shipped, the only things you can do is wait for the delivery. Don't refuse the package or ignore it. Accepting the delivery makes the return process faster and smoother through the apps or website. Here you can see on my websites. So after receiving the packaging, open the Temu apps or go to the Temu website, log into your account and tap on your orders. Here you can see on my orders and accounts there, and find the order you want to cancel and tap on it. Then select return or refund and follow the steps. Here you can see the scroll down and here you can see the returns options. Then here you can see also return option. Temu will ask you to choose a reason for return. Can't find your order or something like this, and you can select option like no longer needed or change my mind. You may also be asked to upload a photo, but for unused items this is usually optional. After that, hit submit and Temu will generate a free return label for you in most cases. Now pack the items securely, attach the return label and drop it off all the courier listed on the return form. Make sure to do this within a return period, usually 90 days from the purchase data. Returns are free for your first return per order, then get your refund. Once Temus receives your returns item, your refund will be processed. You can choose to get the money back to your original payment method or as Temu cards. Refund usually takes 5 to 14 business days depending on your bank or payment provider. So finally, quick recap: you can cancel Temu orders after they have shipped, wait for delivery, then request a return, get a full refund. Don't throw away the packaging until the return is completed. So while it's not a true cancellation, Temu's return system makes it almost just as easy. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to give it thumbs and don't forget to subscribe the channels.